In this video, I'll demonstrate external access to the Lexmark XM3250. On the top, that opens. Moving down, here's your bypass tray with extension units. A black button on the right. Push to open the unit. Pull out on the green lever to remove your toner cartridge. When reinserting a new toner cartridge, line up this edge with the green arrows on the side. If you get a misfeed or need to replace the image unit, remove the toner cartridge first, and then slide the image unit out for access. Line up the two sides with the green arrows, slide back in. Once again, same thing with the image, with the toner. Close. Paper drawers. This is currently set for 8.5 by 11. To change the size, move the green lever, push to the legal point for legal paper. Also, for smaller paper, move the green levers in